Okay guys, today I will show you how to catch the fish, because in this rifle there's a lot of fish, and I have some fishing tool, and I'll show you how to catch. It's not a big fish, but at least we can get a small fish for food. And here is the way we go to find the running water and set up our tool, and tomorrow morning let's see how much fish we can catch. Okay, watch this guy. Here is dead palm. And okay guys, this is the place that we can catch the fish. You can see right there is the moon. It comes up already, and this is the great place that we can catch the fish. And here is actually this is running water, and the fish is swimming around here. And then I have a fishing tool. Just make sure I will show you this here. Is the fish will come this way and this way as well. This is two. The fish can come inside. And the first I need to clean up this grass and set up the trap. Let's see together guys. Okay, alright guys, I will clean this area. Let's see tomorrow how we get a fish. Okay, now we start to set our trap this way, and we get easy to use this grass right here, and to make sure we are not block the way the fish get inside. Then we just flip it. Yes, yes, okay. Here, make sure we block the fish way. Then we get inside the trap. Yes. Okay, let's check what we get. Okay, here. This way also fish can run. Also this way. Great. Okay guys, let's see tomorrow morning how to get the fish from this trap. Light is very beautiful, and it's about 6:30 in the evening, and let's see tomorrow morning how we can get. And here I actually set very well. It's running water here, and fish will come in this side, and let's see tomorrow. Hey, good morning guys. Now there is morning, it's about 7:30 in the morning. So let's see how we can get fish from our trap guys. Let's go. Ooh, guys, it's look a lot of fish inside here. And here I get one snail as well. Great snail. We can eat this though as well. Okay, here you can see from here, this is the fish, right? And I can hear the sound inside a lot of fish, man. Let's see. Very exciting to see this guy. We need to get this out here. We need to set up it again to catch another fish. Oh, snap. Yes. 1 second, I get two. Where's another one? Okay. I get two snaps. Okay. Okay, guys. This is fish. Oh my goodness. It's a nice fish here. Let's clean it up. Okay. Now you can see the fish here. Alright. Remove the big and yes, I put it here. Wow, it's beautiful. Get some crabs, and some fish here. We can cook this fish. This is easy how to catch the fish. Okay, and the next video I will use the same tool to catch a frog, and I will show you how we can catch easy frog in the rice field. Let's see next video, guys. Thank you for watching.